po masasabi at masashare nyo to the world?
Alam nyo, take advantage of this opportunity. We're just not talking about products. We're talking about how it changes people's lives. So, all of us from different parts of the world, galing kaming US, dumayo kaming lahat dito sa Tokyo for the convention to celebrate with the big people that we want to meet also at the same time. And then now we meet Tokyo people. Tokyo people. Grabe, na-interview ko, guys. Bisita lang ako dito. So, maganda dito sa business, it's because it really changes people's lives. Gives you an opportunity to realize your dreams as soon as possible. You know, get out of your comfort zone and do this for your family. I think it's the best message I can give you kasi high na high pa rin ako dito after 1.5 years.
TLV, pwede niya po siyang lapitan sa US, no? Siya rin
Oh,
po
wow! Binenta niya ako!
Yes! All the best!
Alright! O, tatandaan niyo ng mukha ko, ha? J-Lo. Jennifer Sigismundo Salas.